All right, it's loading morning, so we're gonna walk down there, and this will be kind of a worst case scenario. Normally we'd walk down there and just shut the door, but I need to go down and set up the tripod so that we can catch all this. And when I do that, the pigs are obviously gonna see me and they're gonna come out. So we'll set that up and we'll show you how, if they're not sleeping on the trailer, need to get them on, how we do it. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, we're gonna get right to it. Under 5-minute video. Here's how to load pigs the easy way. Things you'll need: pigs, an area that they live in, an area that you can confine them to for loading that connects to a trailer. You've probably seen in some of our other videos that we have our pig area here that we typically use, and that is a complete mud hole right now. And what we do is we bring them through this gate to this loading area here. And it's basically just I don't know, about a 40 by 30 pin, and we bring them into here, and we usually do this about 2 to 3 days before it's time to go to the processor. You can see I've got the trailer backed in here and the door open. We put their feed right beside the trailer. You can see the trailer's here, and then we've got our two feed troughs here. And then what they'll actually do is start sleeping on the trailer. So you can see here, we put some straw on there, gives them a nice warm cozy place to sleep. And typically what we'll do is the morning of loading, they'll be sleeping, we just come down, grab the door and shut them in, and that's it. So it's a pretty simple process. We've never had any problems. We've never had a pig not want to get on or not sleep on, and they do well. Sometimes we will withhold their feed the night before just to make them a little more hungry. Sort of an insurance policy. That way, if they're not on the trailer, or just say I get down here and it spooks them, they decide to come off the trailer, we can just bring our little white bucket that we give them scraps in. They know what that bucket is, and we'll just go up on the trailer with it and they'll follow us. So, all right. So now that we've talked about the process, let's see it in action. All right, good job, Finn. Was that pretty easy?
Yep.
Yeah, were you scared?
Nope.
Nope. What'd you think about it?
I really liked it.
Yeah?
All
right, ready to get these pigs to the processor?
Yep.
All right, high five. Good job. All right, guys, we have them all loaded up. We're gonna get ready and get on the road. If you got any value out of this, give us a like, subscribe, comment below if you thought this was helpful, or let us know how you do it. Otherwise, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, bye.